In this video, I'll show you how to send money with Apple Pay. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so if you're planning to send money with Apple Pay, because you believe it is a seamless and convenient way to send money directly from your Apple device, that is very true because the process is so quick and can be done with just a few taps. All right, so I just wanted to make a short description that Apple Pay is integrated into the Messages app, making it easy to send money to friends and family within a conversation. So it happens to me, right? I was just talking to a family member, and then someone requested the money, and the integration itself streamlines the payment process without needing a separate app. So how do we do it? Well, I suggest log into your account first, all right? And then, unlike some other payment services, Apple Pay is already built into iOS devices. They have like an ecosystem. That's what I love about Apple products. And there's no need to download a separate app to send money. So here's what you're gonna do. All right. We go here, send and receive money with Apple Cash. All right. Open your iPhone or iPad. Open the Messages app, like something like this. Then start a new conversation, like I did with my family members, or tap an existing one. Tap the plus icon here. Okay, that one. Tap Apple Cash. All right. That's very easy, guys. That's how convenient it is. Tap enter the amount you wanted to send. Say, for example, $15, $7. It depends. Or I'm not sure about the limit, but you might want to check with your region. All right, and tap send. Then tap the send button to review or cancel the payment. All right. So be careful. Maybe you've sent some amount here by accident, so you have to double click the send button to pay. Confirm your payment with a Face ID or Touch ID or your passcode. And if the person you sent money has not accepted the amount yet, you can cancel the payment, all right? And on your Apple Watch, you can also do it. Say, for example, you're doing something or not on your phone. You can do it on your Apple Watch. That's how Apple's ecosystem is really great, all right? So open the Messages app, tap an existing conversation if there is, or tap the App Store button right here. Then tap the Apple Cash button. Tap the minus sign of the plus sign to change the amount. You can also use the digital crown right here to deduct or add your number. So be careful, right? And tap send, then review or cancel the payment, and double click the side button to send your payment, all right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.